Starting around 03 October 2023, AMP truly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in very most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. AMP explicitly has an especially complete market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167 in an unobtrusive manner. This especially makes AMP positioning at 193 in the cryptographic money market in a quite enormous manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP especially be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is AMP a sort of wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will AMP cost truly outperform its untouched fundamentally high in a quite huge manner? These truly are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, or so they generally thought. AMP value expectation 2023, as per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of $0.003, the normal kind of least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to really be $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, AMP can really arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.003 in an exceptionally enormous manner. AMP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the extremely greatest cost for AMP could in every practical sense stretch around $0.003. Sort of additional appearance how these all things considered are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future in a genuinely enormous manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 sort of is $0.003, with a very normal cost of $0.003 in a very large manner. AMP value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP really is determined to especially be at around an especially least worth of $0.003, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The AMP value worth can truly arrive at a limit of $0.003, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP value gauge October 2023. The AMP conjecture for October 2023 expects that the AMP may in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.003, with a base cost of around $0.003, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value AMP can sort of stretch around $0.003 for October, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. AMP value conjecture November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may especially arrive at an especially least worth of $0.003, while the by and large greatest gauge cost generally is around $0.003 in a fundamentally significant manner. The exceptionally normal cost for AMP in a real sense is truly anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.003 in November 2023 in an unpretentious way. AMP value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP in every practical sense is estimated to by and large be at around a really least worth of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. The AMP value worth can arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.003, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, showing how in the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP explicitly be especially worth in 2023, or so they truly thought. AMP fundamentally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been buy and assuming we explicitly look at the very current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is additionally down, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. From especially most recent 7 days, the AMP certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.35%, showing how is AMP a genuinely wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. AMP especially has shown areas of strength for really potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, showing how AMP value conjecture October 2023 The AMP gauge for October 2023 expects that the AMP may truly arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0.003, with a fundamentally least cost of around $0.003, or so they thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP really diminished by 40.327%, disposing of an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $0.002 from its especially current worth, or so they thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a great by and large purchase, a potential open door for kind of speedy speculation, especially further appearance how the AMP value worth can arrive at a truly limit of $0.003, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars. Showing how on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP certainly be truly worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 51.19%, and the cost generally flowed from an in every practical sense, least exceptionally normal cost of $0.005 to all things considered, most extreme truly normal cost of $0.005 in the genuinely beyond 90 days in a by and large enormous manner. AMP explicitly is somewhere near 23.25%, with the genuinely greatest sort of typical cost of the coin, in a real sense was around $0.003, and the fundamentally least essentially normal cost of especially was around $0.003 and truly beyond 4 months, exhibiting how the typical cost for AMP especially is especially anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.003 in November 2023 in an unpretentious way. AMP value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be AMP genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The AMP cost generally is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $0.003, with sort of least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner. Does AMP generally have a future in an essentially significant manner? As far as value, AMP has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to essentially arrive at new levels, which for the most part shows that the AMP value sort of is gauged to arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.003, with really least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023 in an especially significant manner. It sort of is figure that AMP will increment in esteem, certainly further appearance how AMP pretty past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been essentially diminished by 6.66% in its truly current worth, showing how AMP for the most part has a sort of all-out market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume